Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Midday market update. Crude oil rises over 1%. Jounce Therapeutics shares spike higher. Analysis. http ntvforex.com. News ID 1D372A91 2024 9 p.m. Midway through trading Tuesday, the Dow traded up 0.25% to 28,500.89, while the Nasdaq rose 0.92% to 11,883.39. The S&P also rose, gaining 0.30% to 3,510.98. The U.S. has the highest number of coronavirus cases and deaths in the world, reporting a total of 6,031,280 cases with around 183,600 deaths. Brazil confirmed a total of over 3,908,270 COVID-19 cases with 121,380 deaths, while India reported a total of at least 3,691,160 confirmed cases and 65,280 deaths. In total, there were at least 25,506,750 cases of COVID-19 worldwide with over 851,090 deaths, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. Leading and lagging sectors. Information technology shares gained 1% on Tuesday. Meanwhile, top gainers in the sector included NBSP Zoom Video Communications, Inc. NBSP ZM 38.89%, up 35%, and NBSP Eastman Kodak Company NBSP KODK 24.96%, up 28%. In trading on Tuesday, utilities shares fell by 1.5%. Top headline. Zoom Video Communications Inc. NBSP ZM 38.89%. NBSP reported better than expected results for its second quarter and also issued a strong forecast. Zoom reported quarterly adjusted earnings of 92 cents per share, surpassing analysts' estimates of 45 cents per share. The company reported sales of $663.50 million versus expectations of $500.45 million. Zoom is forecasting third quarter revenue to come in a range of $685 million to $690 million. The company sees earnings per share hitting a range of 73 cents to 74 cents. Zoom updated its full-year guidance thanks to the strong quarter. It now sees full-year revenue hitting a range of $2.37 to $2.39 billion, a year-over-year increase of 281 to 284%. Equities trading up. J.Jill Inc. NBSP Jill 92.61%. NBSP shares shot up 89% to $0.7284 after the company announced a transaction support agreement that would result in a waiver of any past non-compliance with the terms of the company's credit facilities. Shares of NBSP Jounce Therapeutics, Inc. NBSP JNCE 46.48%. NBSP got a boost, shooting 44% to $6.98 after the company and Gilead announced an exclusive license agreement for the JTX 1811 program. Gilead will make an upfront $85 million payment and $35 million equity investment. Zoom Video Communications, Inc. NBSP ZM 38.89%. NBSP shares were also up, gaining 35% to $437.47 after the company reported better than expected results for its second quarter and also issued a strong forecast. Equities trading down. Applied UV, Inc. NBSP AUVI 23.02%. NBSP shares tumbled 20% to $9.25. Applied UV shares gained 132% on Monday after the company prices its IPO at $5 per share. Shares of NBSP ScanSource, Inc. NBSP SCSC 13.41%. NBSP were down 11% to $22.04 after the company reported worse than expected Q4 results. Green Power Motor Company Incorporated NBSP GP 14.78%. NBSP was down, falling 14% to $17. Green Power Motor reported Q1 sales of $2.27 million. Commodities. In commodity news, Oil traded up 1.3% to $43.16, while gold traded up 0.2% to $1,982.90. Silver traded up 0.6% Tuesday to $28.75, while copper fell 1% to $3.03. Eurozone European shares were mostly lower today. The Eurozone STOXX 600 fell 0.33%, the Spanish IBEX index fell 0.07%, while Italy's FTSE MIB index slipped 0.1%. Meanwhile, the German DAX 30 gained 0.2%, French CAC 40 slipped 0.04% and London's FTSE 100 fell 1.72%. The Eurozone Manufacturing Index recorded growth for the second straight month during August. The IHS Markit French manufacturing PMI increased to 49.8 in August versus a preliminary reading of 49, while German manufacturing index slipped to 52.2 from a preliminary reading of 53. Economics. The IHS Markit manufacturing PMI slipped to 53.1 in August versus a preliminary reading of 53.6. The ISM manufacturing PMI climbed to 56 in August versus 54.2 in July. U.S. construction spending rose 0.1% in July, versus a revised 0.5% decline in June. Federal Reserve Governor Lael Brainerd is set to speak at 1:00 p.m. ET. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.